Yes, ma'am, we started.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I am good. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you very much for asking. So let's start with introduction. Can you tell me about yourself in brief?
Yeah, sure, definitely. My name is Rohini. I am from Karnataka, living in Bangalore. I have done BCom. So right now I am fully fascinated about learning this language. So that's what when I get free time, I would like to connect with co-learners. And apart from that, reading books and watching English content videos. That's all about me.
Okay, it's a great introduction. So let me tell you about myself. My name is Muleshwari and I'm from Chhattisgarh state. I completed my study and if I talk about my hobbies are singing, dancing and painting. And I like to learn new things. And recently, I started making some conversation videos, and I'm uploading on my YouTube channel. So that's all about me.
Yeah, nice to hear. So apart from that speaking part, would you like any do other aspects for learning this language?
I'm just trying to connect with people on Skype here because I like mostly video conversation than audio because not for recording purpose, for just learning also because when I talk on video call, I feel like so much happy and energetic, and I get confidence too after talking with people while like looking each other. So it's really helpful to learn, I think, and because we can see the each other body language, how they are talking. So this is very helpful. So I'm doing this kind of things, and actually nowadays I'm giving much time to this application because only 1.5 month I used for this video conversation, and after some days, I think 5 May this app will not work. Till the 5 May it will work. So that's
Yeah.
why I'm just trying to connect with more people. And yeah, so I'm just doing this kind of thing for speaking. And apart from this, when I get time, I just try to listen on YouTube videos.
Yes, nice, nice.
What about you?
Yeah, I am a full-time homemaker right now. So that's what I hardly get free time for myself, like every single day, 1 hour, 2 hours. So that's what in that time I want to utilize properly. So that's what in that I go with connect with co-learners, video or audio as well. So I am both interested to video and audio. So, and apart from that, I go with shadow techniques, watching English content videos in YouTube. In these all techniques I am using nowadays.
Yeah, nice. Actually, I never did that shadowing practice, but yeah, I do listening, speaking, all kind of things. But I never tried that. But
Yeah,
I heard so many people are they do like shadowing practice. But I think I should do for learning accent because
yeah.
I want to learn some other accent like British accent. So when I will learn that, but now I'm not focusing much on accent. I'm just working on my speaking and that fluency part.
Yes, yes. Even I too have started recently. I would say like 15 or 20 days back, I have started shadowing techniques. Yeah, sometimes it difficult to manage all aspect in every single day, like reading, speaking, shadow techniques. So it is a very challenge to do in every single day. So sometimes definitely it missed out for me. Yeah, as much as I try to do the all these except in every single day.
Sorry. Yeah, I can understand. So, how is your days going, and how you're feeling after talking with people, and how much
Yeah.
you learn? What do you think, like after like using this application and talking with people than before? Like, how much improvement you have now?
Yeah, I would say in I have been using Skype application since 5 months. Seriously, in honestly telling, before seriously, I was very afraid to connected with video call in Sky initially, because I was very afraid. I didn't have any courage. I didn't have like facing face to face connection is it was very difficult for me. So I think day by day I improving myself. So in nowadays I am very confident, comfortable with connecting with the video call. And apart from that, I learned so many things. I daily, every single day, I am improving was vocabulary and pronunciation. So I already mentioned. I go with watching video sessions in YouTube channel. Apart from that, reading books, and every single day, I would like to connect co-learners. So I think I would say I am improving. I have seen my progress in every single day. So before that, I was I started from the scratch. I would say I have started from the scratch. So now you can see myself. I am confidently speaking with you. So I am trying to. I want to learn more and more. I want to level up my communication skill. Every day I am working on that aspect. In future, definitely I will reach my goal in one day.
You're already speaking really well English.
Yeah, thank you.
And
But seriously, I want to focus on some grammar part and vocabulary. It needs level up my communication and fluently as well.
yeah, I can understand. I just want to ask one thing. Like, do you watch your own video?
Yeah, definitely. I go with when I go with editing my conversation video. That time I watching my own video carefully. When I did mistake, I write it down, and again I search the right sentence, and again that right sentence I write it down, and sometimes I recall the sentence. So in that type. I am doing, because it's very important, because we all are learners, right? So we are do mistakes. So that's what we should aware of our mistakes. Then only we will be we will be become fluent, more fluent. So that's what I am watching my own video while doing editing.
Yeah, same. I do watch because and it's necessary to watch because when you will watch, you will find your mistake, and if you are rectifying your mistake, then that is really helpful. And like only talking and uploading, it's not really helpful. And
Yes,
if
right,
you are
right.
watching and if you are correcting yourself, then it is helpful because
Yes.
I know I'm also making a lot of mistake, and I also find my mistake. I'm just try to rectify my all mistake, whatever I'm doing. Sometimes I'm using same word again and again, and then next I try to that decrease using those words, what words whatever I used. But yeah, it's take time. Sometimes again and again, still I use after knowing too, but I just whenever I feel I'm speaking again this word, then I just rectify my mistake and I just stop using the same word again.
Yeah, that's right. It is the actually good way to we will be in fluently in future. So in that time we should introspect ourselves. Then only we can achieve our goal in a short period, within a short period. Then otherwise we have maintaining the same level. Uh, we don't get our mistake, and we can't level up our communication skills, I think.
Yeah, you're right. So, what do you think? What is the best way to start learning English for the beginner?
For the beginner, we should open our mouth. Then only we can we can be Fluent. Yeah, it is it is not a short period. We can't speak in English fluently. It takes time. It is a long journey. We should, in initial days, we should mindset. We should have a mindset. We should give the time, and we should maintain consistency. And apart from that, we should learn every single day. So then it
Yeah.
takes time. We should prepare within 3 to 4 months, within 6 months. Definitely, we can't achieve. It takes time like more than 1 year. Other apart from 2 years as well. So we should prepare first ourselves, our mind. We should prepare. Then only we should go with like every single day. We should give the time for learning this language. Then only we should be like we will be fluent this language. Like I would say my journey has been started like before 1.5 year back. In that time, whatever I had a conversational group members, within a short 7 to 8 months, they lost their uh, interest. They were not willing to ready to connect with each other every single day, because they lost their interest within 6 to 7 months. English is a very tough language. We tried to from last 6 to 7 months. So we didn't reach our level. So they were thinking, and they were stop immediately. But I was not do like that. I am maintain consistency after 1 year and 1.5 year also. I am continue with my journey. So that's why I am here. I am talking like this. I am proud myself. I am achieving something about few. So in like a few more months, definitely I will achieve. I will also talking in fluently in future.
Yeah. And yeah, you're right. Consistency is very important, because if you're not consistent, suppose you learn 2 months, 3 months, and after that you left. But again, you will start after 2 3 months. Then you will feel like you are in the same place. Then you have to
Yes,
start with again the same place. Then it's take a lot of time. So if you are very beginner, then be consistent and just start learning daily, at least 3 4 5, but learn something daily, or
yes,
watch or listen something. Don't stop. Okay,
yes,
ma'am.
right.
So it was really nice conversation with you, and thank you very much for connecting with me, and thank you very much for giving me your precious time.
Thank you so much. Even I too had we had a lovely conversation. Yeah, in future definitely I would like to connect with you and again. Yeah, have a nice
Yeah,
day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.